2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid release date, 2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid MPG, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Honda brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid release date, 2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid MPG, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid release date, 2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid MPG, new cars by. The Odyssey is involving the very best minivans on the markets, but it presents in the profits range. On the contrary, the latest model did start to be free of flooring from the new Pacifica and Sedona so that it will get replaced before long. At the start, the Honda 2020 Odyssey was supposed to be posted in the overdue 2018. Nevertheless, it is found it might be just a bit postponed. The formulation style of the vehicle is prone to click the market more than in all probability in the initial 50% of 2018. This typically means that a cheaper pounds, greater NVH amounts along with a better general revocation way. Feature. Until now it would appear that the sizes of this minivan are not apt to modify a great deal through its forerunner. But, thanks to this particular new platform it will turn out to be preferable to drive. A few other benefits will incorporate a new motor, a completely fresh look, and an improved interior. These permits Honda to stay the 2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid at the top rated of its system, which should be that difficult. The price is supposed to modification just for the main finish models. Exterior and interior. The first analyze mules were utterly spied all the back in 2014 with the newest getting spotted a husband and wife of a long time back again. It seems that the 2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid failed to improve everything a whole lot in the meantime. The next Honda 2020 Odyssey frequently require a lot of cues from the new initial. Count on the front end for being amazingly akin to the SUV. Then again, its slipping rear exterior doors or the reasonably sportier exploring lumbar region conclusion ought to yet be used on the Odyssey. Some also advocated it should take the rear design from the MDX. That will result in all likelihood, not the only thing that away from the real truth. The most crucial retailing level of the Honda 2020 Odyssey, as well as another minivan, in fact, is going to be its cabin. You will have right enough location for as long as 8 to 10 folks, with some models to be desired with only several seating. Even the second model of the car will feature such things as 2-area local climate regulation, heating and air conditioning, air vents for the midst and rear seating, an intercom strategy to permit the rear travelers to speak with the person with an increase of reducing as adequately as tons of USB 2.0 recharging plug-ins. 2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid engine. We are beautiful confident that the 2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid will strike the sector with a 3.5-liter lead administered by natural means aspirated V6. This could be the identical as that in the Honda initial, so it ought to make 280 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque. With the lessen the excess weight of the car, the new Odyssey ought to turn out to be swifter and even more competent as nicely. Some advisable that Honda will stay with the 6 swiftness handbook on the base model. Nonetheless, it would appear that the 9 quickness ZF programmed will be an improved selection. Forefront tire travel will likely be regular by having an optionally available all-tire send procedure genuinely being an authentic risk. In the future, the Odyssey will almost certainly commerce the ZF9 acceleration for Honda's own personal 10 full-speed computerized, which is always with production at this moment. 2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid price and release date. This mostly usually means the base model will, however, price tag approximately $30,000. 2020 Honda Odyssey Hybrid Prime concludes models, on the contrary, receives a little more pricey owing to the more appliances and safety measures. Thanks.